Hi friends, this video I will teach how to create complete login form in POS, point of sales. So for examples I created this data grid view and buttons and all. Right now I no need this, just and select and press delete and save. In view code you have to remove, you have to return any codes and all. You have to just remove that codes and all. Okay, delete this handle also no need, so just I am remove that code and save. Here login page, once I hit the start button, by default it will run the login page, you know everything that and all. Okay, so here for time consumption I designed username and password and everything. Here sample page is there, here I designed all the everything. Just I'm copy, Control C and open this login and Control V. Just I'm pasting here. Just set the form size and width. See here, Control save. So here what I do, here this is label, so press F4, you will get the property window. This is label 1, this is label 2, this is text box 1, this is text box 2, this is close button, so button 1, this is button 2. Here forget option, this is a link label. Link label you can find here, link label in toolbox common controls, you will find the under the label section is link label. So now I will return some logics and tricks for this form. So first I'm try to close this button, just double click this button, so one command prompt will one function will be created here. So in button click event is created, so here I will return one dialogs. For time consumption I return that codes everything here, dialog controls. Just copy this dialog control, Control C. So here I am paste it, Control V. See, I will show all the codes here. Just so this and all we will use later, just right now just I am hiding the code. So here what I am use dialog result. So you have to this is a predefined functions, so you can return dialog results with D caps and R will be caps. So this is case sensitive dialog result. Here your variable you can declare any variable. Message box dot show, are you sure you want to exit, I am asking. So I am asking that questions. So this is a header, message header. This is yes or no type questions. Icon is a question icon. So just I save the button and hit the run. So it's asking, so just I click. So are you sure you want to exit? So this exit I will showing this exit, this is the header of the box, and this question mark is coming under the message box dot question type, and this is yes or no is coming a yes or no type buttons. So once click the S, result will be stored in S. Once click no, result will be no. So once click the S, it will be exit the program. See, again the run button will be coming here. Okay, now just like I am doing. So one more thing I will teach. I am running here, so I am run the programs. Okay, the program is running. Once I hit the escape button, press the escape key in my keyboard, I need to ask same questions. So press escape key, I need to ask same questions. So how to do that? So for that also I written some codes here, predefined codes. So just copy these lines and paste it outside of this function, inner of the public class. Okay, inside the class I just paste my codings here. So this is protected override bool process command key. So reference variable is system.windows.message and this events is a system.windows form keys data. That means you have to press any key in your keyboard, it will automatically fire. So you want to know that, just I put the debugger here, no need this debugger, just I hit the run button. See here, press any key, and right now I will press A, so automatically comes here, means we press the key data is 65 is A, small letter A. So once F10, press F10, it will check that key value, and I am escape value, so escape value is automatically get the escape value here. So int.keys.escape means escape key value automatically. So this is matches, some event will fire, or else return means it doesn't fire anything. So it will running in background in a fraction of second, so no one knows every time that event is firing or not. So now press escape. So now press F10. Escape key data is escape key, automatically escape key pressed, automatically it will detect, and it's true. So inside if condition is working. So like that we have to do. So now I will teach how to make that programs. So where it is login. So this key and this coding and all I copied from internet itself only. I don't know how they work and all. So right now I know what the details. So this event is fires all the keys, what and all keys you are pressing your keyboard, it will automatically fires. So here I will, based on if condition, I will fetch only escape key. So you want more, then you can add here so many conditions in this function. It will detect all your keyboard events. So here, so what I do, I need to exit the program. Just copy this copy this entire program here, copy and paste it here. So that means once I press the escape key, again it will ask you want to exit. So press yes means it will exit. Okay, I will hit the run button. My program is running. So just I am pressing my escape key here. So it will ask, are you sure you want to exit? That means I will give yes, means the program is executing. This is the key events. So how to handle the Keypress event in our forms I teach now. Okay, now we are going to login button. So before going login, we will teach one more thing. So while I am login, by default I need to focus cursor in my first text box, but right now is showing in second text box. What the reason first? So we have to deal this kind of details in two methods. One is go to properties. Here tab index will be there. So this is 5 and this text box is 6. See, this text box is 6, this text box is 5. So that means lower value only it detecting. So what I do, I will change simply, this is 5 and this is 6. Save and hit my run button. See, our cursor is by default it showing in text box 1. So like that we can change. Okay, I am telling right now I teach to only one method. I told in again another one more method is there, like that I told na. So I will teach that method. Just click your form anywhere, so it will automatically create the form load event. Inner form load event you have to set mm, textbox 2 dot active, sorry, focus. So that means it will focus the text box 2. It's not working. Okay, before we need to set active form. Dot this dot, okay, this dot active control equal to text box 2. So what I am written here, this means it will get this login form. That means this means it will get this login class. In that login class I will set the active control. So everything is a control. This is text box, this is label, this is text box, this is buttons, this is link label, like that. Everything is a control. In control I will set text box 2 is a active control and text box 2 dot focus. Now I will hit the my run button. See, our cursor is focusing here in text box 2. Like that we have to modify it in background code itself. Okay, so we no need that time we no need tab index or anything. It will override all the function what you are thought to focus, which control you once thought, you have to return that code here simply. Okay, right now we no need, we have to focus in text box 1 only, so that's why we have to remove this code here. Now I hit the run button, so by default text box 1 will be focused here. Once I click the login, I need to open somewhere else, somewhere forms and all. Okay, so just click this login button here. So the button 2 dot click event is creating here. I need to call some forms here once successful login. So right now I will hard coded that username and password. After that we will make it say database here. Okay, just if text box 1 dot text equal to admin and text box 2 dot text equal to password, then I need to do something else. I need to do something. Okay, here I will show. So I need to show some forms here. So for that I have already BLL. In BLL section only login is there. So here I will create one folder. So just add new item, new folder. Here I will set home. In home folder I will add one MDI form here. Just click the new item. Here you have to find the MDI form. MDI parent form is there. So click MDI parent form. Here I will set home form. I will just set home form or else home inventory. Just I am setting home inventory for that form name. Just click add. So the login form, that means like a home form is created here. Just view code. You have to see that by default it's creating some code element. We will discuss with this later. Right now just I created one form here. just go to login form here. Just I'm call that form. Just okay, home. Just call the directory name dot home inventory and home equal to new home inventory. So just calling that, I created object for that. Here I will call that object home dot show. So just I call that object here. So here once in case username or password is incorrect, I need to show some messages. So just I create one message box here. So message box dot show here, please check your username and password. Just I will add some strings here and save. Now I hit the run button. Sorry, here I missed quotation symbol. Now I hit the run button. So here I will type admin password. So I will miss D. Now I click login. So it will showing username and password is check your username and password. So I will just add this word and click login. So that Windows login window is showing here. See, one more thing is we missed. What we missed? So both forms are showing here. See, this is login form, this is home inventory screens. Both screens are showing here. So once I successfully logged, I need to close this form. Okay, so how to do that? So two method is there. One method, once successfully login, I am hiding that form. So this dot hide. So just save the form and click run button. So admin password and click login. So that form is hidden. See, right now is showing only this login form. That means home page only is showing here. So no need this code. Okay. See, login home screen only showing here. Here also one problem is there. Once I close this form, still project is running. That means you close that form also, in background that login form is still opening because we are using this dot hide. It's not close. Okay, so that means we not recommended to use hide control. You have to use dot close. Close. Now I hit run button. Here admin password, I click login here, but every project is closed. That means this dot close means this is a project. So that means this is the active form. Login we are calling the here program we are calling the login is a active run form. So you close that login, entire project will be closed. So you are successfully login also is closed. So that means we have to use hide only, but for that close we need to use some special elements. So control Z. So now I hit the run button. It will hide, but still background the form will be running here. Okay, don't worry about that. For now we have to open that home inventory. Here I will add one more event called right click properties. Here event section is there. Click that event. Here choose form closed event. Form closed. So that means once form closed, this event will be fired. So here I will write is dot sorry application dot exit. So here I will use application dot exit. So now I hit the run button. Here I will give admin password and hit the login. So successfully home screen is coming here, but in background that login form is still opening. Now I close this button. See, entire project was closed. That means while closing that button, this close event, form closed event, it will fire. Application dot exit directly exit this class. This class means main class. It will exit the main class. So the entire program will be closed. So this is the easiest method to create the login forms and using. So you learned now how to create this login forms and all. So here forget password is there. So here I just click that forget password. So once I click that link, I need to redirect some forms itself. Right now I not created that well, like forget password. Just for our reference we will call this sample page. So sample, any name, give new sample sd dot show. Just I hit the run button. Now I click run. So by default username and password is coming. Here I click this button, the sample page is now is opening. Okay guys, we will meet on next tutorial. That tutorial I will teach here login, how to create that database connection for logins, and how to validate username and passwords and all we will teach. Okay, okay guys.